This is a quick review for this rolling bar cart. This is a bar cart made by Best Choice Products. It's got some nice features to it. Some of the things that we think are pretty cool are it's got 2 rows to hang wine or martini glasses, and down below it's got this little movable tray here that you can kind of place anywhere you want along the bottom here. It also will fit up on top, so you can put it either on top or bottom. That can be used to help keep a large liquor bottle in place or a big wine bottle. Everything else you could just put glassware on here or condiments. It's got a nice handle on here to kind of move the cart around once you've got it set up. So you basically have 2 sets of areas, top and bottom here. There was some assembly required. Each one of these pieces had to be put together with these small silver screws here you can see. It does have caster wheels, so it rolls around. 2 of the 4 caster wheels have a locking mechanism. So you can lock these wheels down so it won't move and stays in place, it won't roll away on you. As far as dimensions, you've got about 16.5 inches this way by about 24 inches lengthways to put different things up on this top of this cart. That dimension is the same for both the top and the bottom shelf. There's also a small handle here. It's not quite as high as this one on the right. So you basically have 2 handles, 2 shelves, and a tray with some casters that lock. Simple, easy. It's lightweight. It's easy to move around. And it's made of metal, so if something does spill on it, if it was, it's not made of wood, so it's gonna be easy to clean up.